Hello, hi, this is Dr. Erica. Thank you for joining me on this particular video. I'm going to talk about skincare items. Just OTC, over the counter, medicated products to help with moisturization, help with poison ivy, allergy reactions, also things like boils and skin burns, minor cuts, things like that. What can you use that's available over the counter? Well, stay tuned to the end of the video and we can go through that. Okay, so please like, share, and also subscribe. I'm Dr. Erica, pharmacist. Thank you for joining me on this particular video. The first item that I want to mention is going to be glycerin. Glycerin is a product that's over the counter. It's water free and it's a moisturizer and a soothing agent for the skin. I personally use it for not only my skin, but I use it for my scalp and my hair. So I mix it with some rose water and toner, and I mix it and I shake it up and I spray it on my scalp for a soothing effect. It is also utilized for not only soothing but also aromatherapy. It's a good agent to actually bath with. So I do recommend it, and it's over the counter. And I have a small bottle here, glycerin. Okay, and this particular item is again about $5 over the counter, and it's a skin soak aromatherapy, softens and moisturizes, and it also is not irritating, and it can be used on the mucous membrane as well. So that's a plus. It can be used on the mucous membrane. So if it accidentally touches the eye or the nasal passages, it's okay. Okay. And also, it's pure vegetable based. And again, no water is included. It's anhydrous, 99.5% anhydrous, okay? And it's good for also oral pharmaceuticals. Is usually used for prescribed medications when compounding. So it's a good compounding agent for oral medications as well. So it is safe and it is effective and it is medicated. So I do recommend it. I usually mix it with rose water. Burt's Bees Rosewater Toner is also a good nutritious moisturizer as well for skin and for facial cleansing as well. Helps remove makeup, dirt, and cleans out the pores of the skin as well. So I do recommend it. Like I said, mix it with my glycerin, and then I shake it up really well and spray it on my scalp. So I think it's a good exfoliating and moisturizing agent as well. And it's all completely natural origin, removes traces of makeup, makes you feel naturally clean and refreshed. And also, I've had it for a while, and this particular brand is Burt's Bees. Burt's Bees is a good brand of all natural products for facial skin care, for lip lubrication as well. They have different chapped products for chapped lips and chapped skin, different fragrances, aromatherapy products as well. And you can find them just about at any drugstore or any convenience store, pretty much. And I do recommend it as well. Okay, the next agent that I want to mention is vitamin A and vitamin D. Vitamin A and vitamin D ointment is a good moisturizer and first aid item. I've used it for diaper rash, and I've used it for my own personal use as a first aid item against burns, itches, allergic reaction, rashes on the skin. Okay, and it has a soothing effect, and it provides a barrier against moisture and wetness. So it is an ointment that repels water. makes it last a little bit longer on the skin, and I would not discredit it. And it's been on the market for a very, very long time. People will tell you, oh, that's baby rash ointment, or I've used that when my child was a baby. So it's a skin protectant, and the active ingredient is going to be petrolatum and lanolin. Okay. All right. And it's directed as a skin protectant and a rash, diaper rash ointment, and as a protector against scrapes, burns, and cuts as well. Chapped skin, cracked skin, lips as well. Also, you can use it during the cold season weather to help repel those chapped lips and chapped skin as well. So I've used it today actually as a healing first aid item. So I do recommend it, and I use it all the time. And I recommend this particular skin protectant, vitamin A and D ointment. You can't go wrong with it. It's just good to have it in the first aid box. So I do recommend that. I give it a 10 out of 10, just to have on hand, just for the family. The next item I want to mention is Caladryl lotion. Caladryl lotion, or calamine, is a product that is used for poison ivy, poison oak, allergic response from on the top on the skin. It's used for a as a drying lotion against sumac allergy as well. So if you're dealing with poison ivy or poison oak or sumac, then this would be a great item. Just having first aid kit at home for emergency use. It's not something that you use every day. And then it is a suspension, so do shake it very well before actually utilizing it to make sure the suspension is actually mixed properly. Okay, and the active ingredient is going to be zinc and calamine. Okay, and it's usually a pink color. Um, you can see it there, a light pink color for the Caladryl. And I recommend it. I give it a 10 out of 10. I wouldn't use it for any other reason except for an allergic reaction against poison ivy or poison oak or sumac. I wouldn't use it for any other reason. Okay, now the next item that I want to mention before closing this video is going to be Vicks Rub. Vicks Rub is a great ointment to have, and it helps with soothing of the nasal passages when utilized correctly. It helps to open up the passageways of the nares, and it helps with breathing and ventilation as well. I wouldn't apply it directly to the mucosa of the nose, but I would apply it right under the nose and on the neck and on the chest area right before going to bed to help with ventilation. And I also use it off label. I use it as a topical for my lips to help with treating or preventing the fever blister. So if you have a fever blister that you feel might be coming on strong, go ahead and apply some Vicks Rub to the fever blister to help with that. It's not indicated for it, but I use it off label as an indication. I do recommend it. It comes in a children's small container. It also comes in a patch. And then it also comes in this convenient pocket size as well. So it comes in different formulations. I think it also comes in like a tube, like a lipstick tube. You can actually put in your pocket and carry it around to help if you're traveling abroad or you're traveling and you need a good Vicks Rub. That would be a good choice as well. This video is not all inclusive, so do research what you like, find out what's best for you. What do you like most as far as name brand, active ingredient? Some products contain alloy, aloe vera, which is good as well. So consider those type products that have not only cosmetic, or not only medical, but cosmetic purposes as well, like the glycerin and the Rosewater toner. Those are also cosmetic and medical. And then the vitamin A and D is first aid, and it's also medical as well for diaper rash. And then the calamine is medical against allergic reactions due to poison oak or poison ivy or poison sumac. And then the vick rub is going to be medical because it's going to help with not only opening up the mucous membrane passageways of the nares, but it's going to also increase ventilation so that breathing can resume. All right, so that's all I have for this particular video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Dr. Erica, pharmacist. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.